That's the product pick of the week this week. It's the terminal PiCowbell with pre-soldered headers. These are terrific for prototyping, plug and play with a Pico. The Pico or the Pico 2, which is the RP2040 and the RP2350. It has mounting holes, so you can screw that down to your project. Yay. It has 40 terminals, little screw terminals, which break out every pin. We have a STEMMA QT I2C/quick connector there, so you can plug in all kinds of peripherals. Maybe a puzzle box, maybe a control panel for some software, something like that. And you can see there is a neat little set of 3x3 wires. The I2C, by the way, is what's plugged into my little matrix display. And there is a Pico 2W, which comes with those nice pre-soldered headers. That's the product pick of the week this week. It is the terminal PiCowbell with pre-soldered headers, STEMMA QT, and reset button.